While you can change the oil and filter while the vehicle is on the ground, do yourself a favor and safely raise and support the vehicle. Begin by removing the engine under trays. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. Place a large catch tray under the vehicle. You're going to need at least 9 liters of capacity. Trust me, the larger the better. Run the motor for a few minutes to warm up the oil. With the engine trays off, you can access the drain plug, blue arrow, and the filter housing, red arrow. Use an 8mm Allen and remove the drain plug, red arrow. It should only be torqued to 30 Newton meters or 22 foot-pounds, but people love to over-torque these. Remove the plug and let the oil drain completely. If the drain plug has been damaged, replace it. If not, make sure to replace the crush washer indicated by the red arrow. With all of the oil drained, you can now reinstall the plug and torque it to 30 Newton meters or 22 foot-pounds. Next, move to the oil filter housing. You can use a 36mm socket or an open-ended wrench to loosen the housing, red arrow. Unscrew the housing by hand. Use care as there will be a lot of oil still in the housing. Then remove the housing. If the filter doesn't come out with the housing, remove it by hand. Clean the housing and use a pick to remove the old O-ring and install a new one. Lightly coat it with some clean motor oil. You can install the new filter onto the engine or the filter housing and install the housing. Torque the housing to 20 Newton meters or 17 foot-pounds. Do not over-torque this, it's plastic. Remove the oil fill cap, red arrow, and add 8.5 quarts of oil. You will now need a Durametric or scan tool to reset the oil service interval. Follow the prompts from your tool. Warm up the engine and check the level using the oil level sensor on the stock. Reinstall the engine trays after checking for leaks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.